Due to its overlap with other areas of study such as civil, chemical, and industrial engineering, mechanical engineering is considered the broadest of all engineering disciplines. As a result, mechanical engineers work in numerous industries on various projects. While core mechanical engineering principles such as thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and machine design are still valid, expertise in composites, mechatronics, and nanotechnology are in increasingly high demand. As a result of modern technological advances, these subject areas have become prerequisites for several emerging and promising fields, such as artificial intelligence, biomechatronics, and nanotechnology. Following are some of the areas where mechanical engineering are expected to be high in demand. Number 1. Electric vehicles. With the surge in awareness about electric vehicles and the rise in use of it, the role of mechanical engineers is crucial now more than ever. When internal combustion engines are replaced with cleaner, battery-powered systems, new challenges arise regarding torque and the design of mechatronic system to support new electrical system. Furthermore, robotics and assembly lines will be designed by mechanical engineers as manufacturing of vehicles become more automated. Number 2. Nano Engineering. Nano Engineering is the practice of engineering on a nanoscale. Nanoengineering is largely a synonym for nanotechnology, but it emphasizes on the engineering rather than the pure science aspect of the field. This rapidly growing field is the one that offers abundant opportunities for mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are expected to be integral in using nanotechnology to create stronger composite materials, develop superior renewable energy storage systems, and creating advanced biomedical devices. Number 3. Biometronics. Biometronics is an applied interdisciplinary science that aims to integrate biology and mechatronics, also encompass the field of robotics and neuroscience. The role of mechanical engineer in robotics is taken a step even further with the rapid growth of biomechatronics. Engineers will design mechanical sensors, controllers, and actuators for biomedical implants and prosthetics. In addition to medical field, research is also being carried out on the use of biomechatronics in the military industry. Number 4. Manufacturing. Manufacturing is a field that is constantly evolving. Pressure to increase production efficiency while minimizing operation costs has fueled the demand for new and innovative technologies. In order for manufacturing industry to remain profitable while meeting consumer demands, automation and robotics are essential. This industry is therefore filled with opportunities for professionals with mechanical engineering degrees. Although new technologies have undoubtedly changed the engineering landscape, the future looks bright for mechanical engineering. Many new fields of study and subject area are expected to benefit engineering graduates. In order to avoid being left behind, practicing professionals must keep up with the current and future advancements. So if you are a mechanical engineer or you want to be one in the future, one of these 4 points can be your future job. So don't lose hope and prepare yourself for the future. If you found this video very informative, then please consider liking this video and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch more videos like this, click on the playlist link given in the description. Also, if you are looking for a mentorship program, visit our site mysocialcapital.in/register. On My Social Capital, you will find industry leaders who can help you with your career. So hurry up and register now. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.